This is the cause of varieties of happiness and
Yeah, thank you for reading that, Sanskriti's mom. Um, I lost my connection, but I'm back now. So we were talking about Skinner box experiment. So Skinner, he comes in the same parampara as Pavlov, and what he did experiment here is something different. He took this whole concept of conditioning little further. So what did he do? He put a rat, red button, blue button. Red button, no food. Blue button, food comes. So over a period of time, what do you think the rat did? Was it pressing red button anymore?
Only blue button.
Yeah, because it wants food.
Yeah.
Right? So that is one form of conditioning. And then on the wall, it put shock generator, electric shock. So if it touches the wall, key, it'll get shock. So now it got so conditioned. Then he removed this wall here. What do you think the rat is doing after he removed the wall?
Yeah, it did not run away, stayed inside and pressing green and eating food.
Exactly. It did not run away. It's thinking, array, food is free here. All I have to do is press that button, the right side button. So it did not escape. So that is also one form of conditioning. So then why do you think I talked about this story of Skinner box experiment?
conditioning, Prabhuji. That is how
Conditioning,
we are
yeah.
conditioned.
So even though Krishna has given Bhagavad Gita and Swami Prabhupada has translated it, because of our conditioning, we are not leaving the material world. We are waiting for iPhone 25, Windows 32, Tesla model 656. We are waiting for all that because we are thinking, Array, this is very fun. This is enjoyment. A lot of enjoyment in this material world. So why should I leave? We are thinking, let's not leave. We'll stay here forever. So that is conditioning. Very dangerous, huh? Conditioning is very dangerous.
Prabhuji, what's the name of this experiment?
Skinner box.
Okay, thank you.
Skinner is the name of that guy. Box. Put a box. And the first experiment was Pavlov. That is very classic experiment. Everybody knows that from science studies. Pavlov is a Russian scientist who did that first conditioning experiment. Okay, so why did I tell you this? Because he, means you and me, have become conditioned by the material world, is acting under the spell of the three modes of material nature. What is a spell, Sanskriti? What does a spell means?
Spell means, Prabhuji, enchanted by the attraction of the. Is it basically magic?
Maya.
Yeah, yeah, magic, yeah, Maya, magic. Attraction comes because of that Maya, but that is step two. Step one is it's a spell, like a magic chant. You do some kind of, you recite some mantras and the fellow will faint or something like that. You see this wishing spell. There is a storybook called Wishing Spell. She wishes something and then they start flying through air and things like that. Right? So we are under this spell right now. We are in this Maya of these three modes of material nature. And because we have different kinds of bodies, what are we doing? We are induced to act. Can you not act? A dog has to bark. The dog will not say, oh, I'll become very polite and I will start talking in English. Can a dog do that?
No.
No, because its nature is to bark. So why? The soul has been put into that kind of a dog body because of combination of desire and karma, right? Activity. Like we were doing this, one of the festival in the temple, we had these different displays. So I was standing there explaining to people, and I said, yeah, if you do this kind of karma, next life you may be born as a bird. So one lady said, oh, it will be so much fun, I can go become a bird, kee kee kee, I can start singing like a bird. So she actually wanted to be a bird. There are people like that on this planet. So unless we want to be a human, we won't even get human birth back. Forget liberation. Even to get a human birth is such a big challenge. And this is the cause of varieties of happiness and distress. There are very different kinds of happinesses, actually, not just one kind, different kinds. For somebody, wearing a red shirt is very happy. For somebody, wearing a red shirt is distress. It's the most horrible thing to do. So there are varieties of happiness and distress. For somebody, having all the body parts okay is good. For them, even a small pain in the left leg and they have to limp, they will start complaining that this is such a tough life. So that's how it is. Okay, so we have been going for an hour now. It's almost 9:09 Pacific. So let's chant now. Sri Krishna Chaitanya